Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Rakuten account. So first we're going to open the Rakuten app. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. So it's going to ask you to sign up. So you guys could use your Apple account, your Facebook account, or your Google account. So you have three options, but I personally chose my Apple account. Then once you touch your ID, it's going to be opening your account. So as you can see, we've opened our account. It's an easy step. Then you guys can continue your shopping since they have cashback rewards. It's such a good app. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.